Well, this is the monk's meadow in the village where I live, and it is full of wildflowers and buzzing with insects, and there's a lot of birds nesting here in the long vegetation. So there's some whitethroats just in the brambles behind me, but also a lot of the young birds come here to get fed because there's so much in the way of insects for them to eat. So let's sit down and have a bit of a look here today. Okay, so just looking at the bird that's moving around a lot and sort of bouncing around in the wind. So I'm just going to describe sort of the shape. So very, just working around on that. Get the shape. Working more into that to try and describe. So strengthening the lines each time to see more of what's going on. But that's here. Yeah, already beginning to think about blocks of shade here. It's just dark under there. Okay, so I'm going to start off actually painting the chest on the bird. Here's the most striking thing is pink on the male whitethroat. From a distance it looks such a little brown bird, but this pink, it's amazing. So I'm going to paint it out into the space surrounding it. Then I'm going to keep some of that paint to one side because I want to work into it. Now I want a bit of that ochre and some golden yellow. And that's colour that's going to go around the edge here. Then I'm going to let it flow into the pink there. Okay, not quite enough, so I'm going to just drop in some of the pink. See what happens to that. See, it's running down. I like it so much, I'm going to put a dab of it just there. See what happens. Okay, next thing that is I've mixed some blue with a little bit of Payne's grey, and I'm just dropping that in here. And I want that because there's going to be blue coming through on the whitethroat, and this just here is going to echo that. Okay, and the last thing at this stage is just going to be this reddy sienna on the bird's wing. Just here, that band at the edge of the secondaries just stands out so brightly. On the shoulder as well. Okay, so that's bright golden brown, but not quite enough. So I'm going to actually, while it's still wet, just drop in a mix of more sienna with a bit of alizarin. Yeah, look at that. I want it just to sing. Just there, that's it. Okay, using purple here, and really exaggerating the shadows. Lining out some of these. Okay, and then this sienna down the tail, leaving white line of outer tail feathers which are white.